to another video. We're playing Mortal Kombat. Yeah, so I don't know how this game will turn out, but first second. What was that? Wait, I learned a new mechanic. Oh, I used it. So actually worked. Alright, so we got one as an early access character. We don't have safety as early access. I'll play as a book. So 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Most of combos these days are easy. Never know. This violent counter. I might use violent counter because I have to remove that to actually get this bullet.
Pathetic.
Oh, what's that? So, what's that? Oh, wait, clone swap? Oh, just a clone. And I have a bar on the side of my screen with another move called Silent Reap. So it's done. I think it's gonna have weapons. Can you just run this killer punch my... There's no way. How did he just do that? Hey, how did he do no movement? Get out of here. Don't come to me, do that to my clothes. You just don't think you just don't know where you are. Okay, let me put my quality up so I can actually see. This guy's a pistol. Where's he going? Oh! What is that? What is going on? What was that ultimate move? We made the whole game now. Probably if I didn't have my quality up. Oh no, my phone about that. Alright, so let's go. Next thing I want to do. Okay, my bar's almost filled up. So let's go. Okay, I was able to really not move at all. Oh, that move. I almost clutched that, y'all. Y'all can't really. Alright. Oh, we found another Xbox player. Oh no. So it's gonna lag either way. We went for the same. We know what's going on. I haven't landed clean cuts or Marshall or Kickstone yet. I actually got a little confused who was the winner. This is good. Oh, I didn't fall out. This is very right. Yep, this is right. There you go. See? How is that? How do you do that? If I try to do that, you try to double tap it. I landed it. Oh, it's no more games, I'm pretty sure. Right. You're cooked. Alright guys, see you next video. Peace.